Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Texas Suburban Homestead. For my regular subscribers, sorry, been traveling for work, so everything's kind of running a little behind on my production schedule. But today I have a PSA for you. If you don't have a pressure washer and you're a homeowner, stick around. Okay, so today's more of a PSA than anything else. I am a Chris Fix subscriber. I'm sure many of you are as well because his videos get millions of views. He had a series of videos that have been really popular about how to wash your car better. So I watched those, and he uses a pressure washer. Just an at-home pressure washer. It's nothing really fancy, nothing super expensive. So I was looking into buying one of those. My parents actually found out from my wife that I was going to buy one, and they bought me one for Christmas. So this is it. So this is what I've got. It's a Greenworks, there we go, 1700 PSI. It comes with a 25 degree and a 40 degree nozzle. Like I said, it is electric. It does have the reel on it, and pretty basic, pretty compact. But I will say, you know, in 6 months, it hasn't given me any trouble. It's doing great. See, I think on Amazon, price varies, but it ranges from $125 to $150 or so. It's not very expensive. But I started washing my cars with that. I didn't use the soap cannon yet because I tried it once and it just seems like it wasted too much soap. But I just started washing my cars with it instead of a regular hose. Works great. I thought, this is amazing. I got to looking around my house. I've been a homeowner for 10 years now. I'm getting fairly skilled. I brought some skills into it, but I'm becoming a better plumber. I'm becoming a better electrician. The previous owners did not do anything to our home. It was built in 1981, so it's old for our area, but it's not super old on the whole. But I got to looking around, and I thought, well, I've got this pressure washer. What else can I clean with it? So I started cleaning. I started with the front flower beds. I moved on to sidewalks, driveways, gutters, you name it, I cleaned it. The brick on the back of our house, you can see, I think you can see over there, it needs washing again because that's where most of the rain drips off. But I started cleaning. Here's the PSA. If you're a homeowner and you don't have a pressure washer, you need to look into that investment. You will not believe how dirty your house is until you start cleaning it. So at the end, I'm going to post some videos, or I'll add some videos in here of us cleaning. Our house was filthy. It's absolutely filthy. It's shocking how bad it is. And again, I've got the link down below to the Greenworks one. I know there are Honda ones on the market that will run $3,500, and they're amazing. But I didn't have $3,500 to spend. I had a couple $100. This worked amazing. For me, I didn't need to go get the 2000 PSI one or anything more than that. 1700 works fine for me. It comes with the different nozzles, the 40 and the 25 angle. I couldn't be happier. And again, this is not a paid advertisement for Greenworks. It's no advertiser, no company would ever pay me to advertise their products. Their ROI would be years because I have such a small YouTube channel and so few views. But I wanted to get this out there for other homeowners who may be considering it. Look into a pressure washer. It will be something that you will not regret. I know I haven't. I have no idea how long it's going to last. I may have to buy another one in 6 months because we're using it so much. But 6 months in, this little Greenworks is doing great. Stick around to the end. Coming up, you will see just how dirty my house is and just how clean it is now. All right. If you've had similar results, if you've got other things that you might want me to look into, other suggestions, leave a comment down below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It helps with the content that I prioritize to produce. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I appreciate it. Have a great day.